Hi, and thank you for joining me. In this short video, I wanted to share with you about and introduce you to the 8 limbs of yoga. This was a resource that I wanted to put together, as all too often, especially in our Western world, yoga is understood in such a limited way, where for most of us, the term yoga is synonymous with physical postures, when in fact, this is just 1/8 of what yoga is all about. And so from this limited perspective, we are missing the plethora of benefits, the grandness of what yoga is all about. And at a time where more and more of us are taking our personal journey of spiritual growth and evolution more seriously, it is valuable and beneficial to know all the different paths of how we can enrich our lives, improve our health and well-being on all levels, the physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual, and ultimately live with a greater sense of peace, joy, tranquility, and oneness with ourselves and all life. And so just as the physical practice of the asanas is not yoga in its entirety, we also have so many different definitions and misunderstandings when it comes to meditation. Therefore, to get the full spectrum of benefits that the eightfold path of yoga can make available to us, ones that also include better health and energy, living with less stress, worry, and anxiety, living with a calm, conscious, and focused mind, as well as enjoying spiritual fulfillment, we need to understand yoga in its complete form and via the holistic application of its 8 core components to understand what they are, how they work, how you can practice them and apply them in your daily life, and the numerous benefits that you can attain from them. And so this course can help anyone who has any interest in yoga or the journey of self-discovery, spiritual evolution, or consciousness expansion. Whether you have tried practicing yoga already in any of its forms, or perhaps you haven't, may be intimidated by thinking that yoga is equivalent to needing to be flexible or doing various physical postures. The 8 limbs of yoga are all about learning the inner workings of our mind and about mastery of our mind to live in a more effective way, to be more effective human beings, to learn how to use our energy in the most efficient of ways. And via this path, yes, we can attain a greater sense of understanding about ourselves, all life, and the nature of our reality. And so I've put this course together to serve as an introduction to the 8 limbs of yoga and what the journey of the yoga path is all about. The course consists of 10 classes or lessons. Each of the classes includes some interactive quizzes so that you can apply what you are learning, as well as reflection questions and contemplation exercises so that you can further your understanding of what you just learned. And so I invite you to explore the course and see how it can serve as a positive stepping stone on your personal journey of spiritual evolution, as well as personal transformation and growth. So thank you for joining me for this short course introduction. And I look forward to continuing to help you on your journey of personal discovery, of mastering your mind, for personal transformation via the integration of yoga in all of its parts.